Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be fixing the cruise control on our Honda. This problem has occurred on many older Hondas and today we will be fixing it. So let's get started. All you will need is duct tape and a penny. This cruise control system works as a push pin. So as you press on the brake, this gets released. So when it gets released, the computer gets notified that the brake has been engaged, so the cruise control can get disabled. But then over time, the rubber seal gets worn out, and it comes out as it gets released when you press the brake. So this is where a penny comes in hand to fix the cruise control. What you want to do is get a piece of duct tape and put your penny in the middle, like this. Now, what you do is you press on the brake, and then you stick your coin in between the rubber gasket, and you wrap it around this bracket. And now we are done. Cruise control should be working. Here is what it looks like when you press on the brake and then it hits the coin. And now cruise control should be working, so let's go on a test drive. I put it in cruise control and there you go. The cruise control light is on and it's keeping a steady speed. Let's go. It worked. Okay guys, the cruise control is finally fixed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment on this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.